Listen, if there is something you want to manifest and you've been trying to manifest it on and off for the whole last year and it has not come into your life yet, I want you to do something different in 2026. I want you to lock in 2026. This year, promise to go all in. Promise to be completely centered and focused on your desire, and you will get it. Because listen, guys, if the only reason why you don't have what you want yet, and this might hurt a little when I tell you this, but the only reason why you don't have what you want yet is because you are putting more of your attention on what you don't want and on the lack of what you want, on seeing how it's not there in your life yet, and you have not put in enough repetitions, you've not taken enough time to think about having what you want instead. And if this is the only thing that you change in 2026 is to promise yourself that you are going to put an effort into thinking about what you want, thinking more about what you want, and thinking about what you would do when you have what you want. Like let's say if it's about money, what would you do with the money once you get it? Or where would you go on dates with your SP once you have them? What will you do once your dream reality becomes your reality? When you make it a promise, when you make a decision, when you simply just decide to focus on giving more of your attention to what you want, spending more time of your day thinking about what you want and thinking about having what you want in your life, that is when you will start seeing the change. Because trust me when I tell you, it does not take a long amount of time for you to create a belief or for you to change your reality. It does not take a long time. The only thing that creates time gap is resistance. And that resistance is created by thinking thoughts about lack of your desire, thinking about how it's not here yet, thinking about, oh, how it can come to you, and then finding no possible way in which your desire can come to you and getting discouraged, or simply just focusing on the lack, reacting to the 3D. That's causing the resist that is causing the resistance, which by the way is creating the time gap. That resistance, that your habit, essentially it's a habit. Thought process or thought patterns are habitual. Like all other things in life that are run by your habits, your thoughts, how you think, are also part of a habitual pattern. It's a pattern, for people to wake up and start thinking negative thoughts, for people to catastrophize their reality, and we're seeing so much of it in the world right now, but to just wake up and catastrophize everything, to wake up and think about everything that's not working out for you. It's a habit pattern, and you can change that habit pattern. And once you change that habit pattern, once you put in the effort, you make a commitment with yourself that this year, okay, whatever happened in the past. I've paid the price for it by living that reality. I've paid the price of my thought process in the past by my circumstances and all the things I faced in the past. But starting this year, I'm going to make an effort. I'm going to commit. I'm going to discipline myself to focus, literally just laser like focus on the reality that I dream of having. I'll just think about having what I want. I'll think about what my life would look like once I have what I want. I would affirm consistently as much as I can about having what I want. I would spend time. If you want to take it an extra notch up, like apart from what I just told you, by the way, let's recap the steps. You affirm, you have a mental diet, you focus on uh, thinking about your life from the standpoint of already having it. But if you want to take it up another notch, like just superpower your manifestation. Spend 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes before you go to bed visualizing how you would live in the reality where you have this dream, where you have this desire. So if it's about money, what would you do once you have the money? Maybe You would pay off your debts. You would buy things that you would like. You would invest. You would gift things to people. Think about this. Think about what those people will feel like once they receive your gifts. Or think about how you would be once that money is in your reality. Or let's say about it's about your SP, or let's say even good health. So SP example, your SP proposed to you, they committed to you. So what will you do? You will get up, you will dress pretty, or you will dress handsomely, you will take this person out on a date, or you would go on a date, you would have fun, you would tell your friends and family about what an awesome date it was. Let's talk about health. You'd wake up, you'd be feeling good, you'd look at your body and you'd like it, right? And then think about the size of clothes you'd wear, or think about the kind of activities that you would now be able to do once you're healthy. Not that difficult, right? Like it's just bumping manifestation up a notch. Visualize 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes before you go to bed, how your life would look like after you have already received your desire. That's, by the way, living in the end. Living in the end essentially is it's already done. So what am I doing once it's already done? That's living in the end, is it not? So think about it. Think about your life like this. Make a commitment. Get disciplined. Make a commitment that you are going to spend more time. Because listen, guys, your predominant thought patterns manifest what you predominantly think, what you predominantly are focused on. Your predominant thought patterns manifest what you most dominantly think throughout the day manifests. Thoughts, by the way, guys, turn into feelings. Thoughts turn into beliefs. So that's why people say that your beliefs and your feelings manifest, because ultimately, at the core of it all is your thought. Whatever you think, if you think good thoughts consistently, those good thoughts will make you feel good. And also at the same time, those good thoughts will turn into good beliefs and create your new reality. And that's literally how reality is created. So commit to it. That's my only message for you in 2027. Do not lose to your subconscious mind, because you are the master. You are the programmer. Listen, in computer science, the programmer controls the program, right? The program is not controlling the programmer. The programmer decides what's going to happen, not the other way around. You are the programmer, and you've just given away your power. Do not do that. You are the programmer. You are in control. You can rewrite your program, your reality, by simply changing the thoughts you think about your reality. And that's how you create a brand new reality. And that's all I want to tell you today. So, by the way, I'm Neha Kumar, and on this channel, my mission is to help all of you guys become masters at manifesting positive things. Because listen, we all are masters at manifestation. We are always manifesting. Most of us are manifesting things we don't want because we keep thinking about things we don't want. So, I want you to become a master manifestor at manifesting things you do want. So, subscribe to the channel if you've liked this video. If you've watched it till now, subscribe, like this video, comment master manifestor. If you want to book personal coaching, or if you want to join my 21-day manifestation advent calendar challenge, which is literally like every day for 21 days, you will get one audio coaching guide from me to help you create your perfect manifestation, uh, you know, routine, as well as to get you into the spirit of manifestation in 2026. You can either sign up for the 21-day challenge or for personal coaching. The details are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.